Welcome to the second part of our SolidWorks from scratch tutorial series. I highly recommend watching the first part where we installed SolidWorks and created our very first part. Today we're taking another big step forward. We're going to learn some new tools. On the screen you can see the part we made in the previous video, and here is what we're going to build today. In this lesson, we'll take a close look at the fillet and learn some important modeling techniques. The whole process will take about 6 minutes, so let's jump right in. Open SolidWorks, create a new part and start a new sketch. Using the line tool, draw the main shape as shown on the screen. For the last side, use the spline tool. Next, use Smart Dimension to set all the necessary dimensions. And now let's fine-tune our spline. Select it and use the control points to adjust the shape until it looks right. When the sketch is ready, go to the Features tab and click Revolved. Select the line that will serve as the axis of rotation and click the green check mark. And here's what we have got. Now let's create the handle. Switch to the front plane and start a new sketch. Use the spline tool to draw the center path of the handle. Drag the control points to bend it into a nice curved shape. Next, add dimensions. Select the end of the spline and the top edge of the mark. Then, add an offset dimension to the right. Do the same for the vertical offset. Select the spline endpoint and the top point of the mark. Then offset it upward. Now we need to create a plane for the handle profile. Go to the Features tab, Reference Geometry, Plane. Select the start point of the spline and the spline itself. Then click OK to create plane 1. Switch to this new plane. On plane 1, draw a small rectangle at the start of the spline. Set the dimension as shown on the screen. Use Sketch Fillet to round the corner of the rectangle. Since the radius of 10 is too big, change it to 3 mm. And now we can create the handle using the sweep features. Go to the Features tab and click Sweep. First, select the rectangle as your profile. Then, select the spline as your path. Click the green check mark. Great! The handle is now attached to the mark. Next, let's make the mark hollow inside. Go to the original sketch plane and start editing the sketch. Use the Offset Entities tool. Select the inner edge of the mark top rim, set the offset distance to 3 mm, and turn on the reverse option. Use the line tool to close the sketch where needed. And clean it up with the Trim Entities tool. Once the sketch is ready, go to the Features tab and select Revolve Cut. Use the same vertical axis we used earlier for the revolve and click the green check mark. And here it is, our mock is now complete. Thanks for watching.